Living in Washington, D.C. is not easy. And I'm going to tell you why. So first of all, do not move to Washington, D.C. if you do not have a job. I repeat, don't come out here if you don't have a job. And I'm saying that because D.C. is definitely an expensive city. It's definitely as advertised. It's not fake. This place really is an expensive city. So if you don't have a job, you're going to be definitely out of luck. The average apartment out here is like somewhere around the like $2,500 range. So you gotta be able to make at least 3 times that much per month in order to even apply for these apartments. Here's another tip. I mean, I think these are pretty obvious, but you definitely got to be prepared for cold weather if you're gonna live out here, because I'm telling you right now, it definitely gets cold out here, and for the majority of the year it's usually cold. So if you don't have your cold weather gear up, i.e. at least one really good coat, then you're not gonna be surviving. You're gonna really start to hate this place and you're gonna be depressed. So make sure you have your cold weather gear. Now I'm not gonna lie, in the fall, in the springtime, like where I'm at right now, you can get the foliage where it's all nice and pretty and stuff like that, but realistically, yeah, it's most of the time pretty cold out here. So when it is warm, you gotta try to enjoy it while you can. All right, so another thing about Washington, D.C. is that you have to be really open-minded to the type of fun that people out here deem as fun. Fun in Washington, D.C. isn't the typical fun that I was used to. You know, like when I would go out, let's say if I want to go out to like a nightclub venue, I was used to people being in sections and people dancing a lot and really having like just a great time, in my opinion, when I was in Houston. But ever since I came out here, pretty much every venue I go to, what people usually do is, hold on, it's a mosquito. Out here, what people usually do is they like to get a drink, they like to stand around a table, and they like to mingle. And it's almost like a good time to them is always like a networking event. Networking events are pretty much like what everything around here is into or geared towards. Another thing you need to be aware of if you're going to live here in Washington, D.C. is the fact that the dating life here is trash. I repeat, the dating here is trash. So don't be coming here thinking you about to just fall in love, because it's trash. Okay, so what is it about DC's dating world or dating life that actually makes it trash? I'm gonna tell you. And I'm not gonna get too deep into this because I've made tons of videos already about this specific topic, so I'm not gonna say specifically what makes DC dating trash as far as like the super detail. But to summarize it up, going on a date in DC is very similar to going on a job interview, because people talk to you and ask you questions about what it is that you do for a living more than they ask you questions about who you are and what, you know, how do you live for a living? You know, what type of person are you for a living? Those questions don't really come out nowhere near as much as, you know, so what agency are you with? Here's another thing you need to know about DC before you move out here, and that is the fact that credit is king out here. You know, I know that as you get older, credit is supposed to be something that you're always supposed to stay on top of, no matter what city you live in. But out here in DC, credit is like everything. You need credit to be able to get into an apartment or a house. You need credit to get a good job. You need credit for everything. We already know you need credit to, you know, like finance things, but like a job, yeah. If you want like a really nice job, most of these jobs require you to get a security clearance. And if you have messed up credit, then you'll be denied that security clearance and ultimately denied that job. The next thing you need to know about living in Washington, D.C. is that the look of the town is basically business casual. You know, everyone's dressed with dress shoes or, you know, anything other than sneakers, khakis, usually a button down, some type of like sports coat or jacket, you know, and maybe even a tie. But for the most part, they dress business casual out here for just about every occasion. You know, sports games, freaking birthdays, weddings, whatever, you name it. And then of course, business meetings. Everyone's always dressed like they are doing business. Like everything about their life out here in Washington, D.C. is about business. You know, it's not really a city of play like that. So if you come out here and you want to play, you're not going to be doing too well. And I'm being honest with you, the city's not going to be geared to that. And last but not least, the last tip I'm gonna give you guys in this video is, if you plan on going outside and you want to have a good time doing just about anything out here in DC, especially if it involves drinking in any type of way, then be prepared to spend some money. When I first came out here, I went to this place called The Wharf, and I was out there with a friend, and we got like 4 shots, 2 for me, 2 for her. And after 4 shots, the total was about $76. And don't worry about it, I'll do the math. That means the shots cost about $20 per shot, actually about like 19. But the whole point I'm saying is that it was ridiculous that I spent so much money off of just 4 shots. Like in Houston, you could probably get 4 shots for maybe about $30, maybe, I don't know, 30, 40 at the most. So it's crazy that everything out here is so much more expensive. All right, guys, I'm not trying to scare you guys. I just want to give you some real tips based off of some things I wish people would have told me before I moved out here, because it can be a wake-up call in certain areas and aspects. And I don't see too many people who actually talk about some of the things that I talk about. I try to keep it real. I'm not trying to make like commercials or try to sell DC or anything like that. I'm literally just living in the city, and I'm realizing, oh, I wish I knew that. And I'm like, you know, I'm gonna make a video later on for other people who are getting ready to come out here. Just wanted to make that quick video. Hope you guys liked it. Maybe, hopefully, if it helped you guys, you know, you guys can hit a thumbs up for me, and I will see you guys later on in the next video. Also, I heard this little thing about it being Vlogtober right now, so I'm thinking about trying to crank out some videos maybe daily. I don't know, y'all let me know if that's what you want to see. You know, get tips about DC, live and see what it's like living out here every day. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Peace. One of these days I need to make a video about what it's like living downtown, because I swear these sirens, they just stay going all day. Everywhere. There's like 2. I just saw one ahead of me make a left turn going this way, and then there's one behind me that here is still coming. Like, there's a lot going on. I wish there was a way to like look up what are they responding to, like what is going on in the city where there's always continuous sirens going on.